ancient objects, structures, sculptures, pot, coins, inscription, copper plates, books, manuscripts, traditional stories, songs remembered over many generations, etc. are the sources of history. The sources of history are three types. Which is the sources of history? These are the sources of history. And this is types of history. It is a main point. Which is the types of sources of history? Material sources, written sources, and oral sources. Point out that in order to find out what happened in the past, how it happened, evidence available from all these sources is collected and thoroughly examined to determine its reliability. With the help of the evidence that stand this test, past events are put in proper sequence and a historical account is written. This is the scientific method. Suppose you are found all that. Okay, you are found all these material sources, written sources. Okay, then they are examined by scientific method and decided what years, what is it's for, is it 400 years old, is it 300 years old, then it is 400 years ago, it is 500 years ago. Then these are kept in a proper sequence. Okay, what we study in 2 points? We study the history. The past include many events that have already taken place. The science that tries to understand past event is called history. And what we learn in second point? We learn the special characteristics of all science is that facts or evidence can be repeated, tested in experiments. The method using different tests to determine the reliability of evidence is called scientific method. Okay, and history is regarded as a scientific discipline because it uses scientific method. While looking for collecting evidence, examine the evidence and putting together evidence, and where it required, it take help from other sciences. History is not written on the basis of imagination. Okay, these are the sources of history, and that is divided in material sources. I will tell you. Okay, in that material sources are ancient objects, structures, sculptures, pot and coins. These are the material sources. Written sources, inscription, copper plate, book and manuscript. These are the written sources. Oral sources means traditional story, traditional song. Okay, you understand that past events are put in a proper sequence in a historical account. Okay, then I will give you some question. You try to find out that and write in your notebook.